Hey everyone. If you're an aspiring entrepreneur in Trinidad and Tobago, you've probably asked yourself this exact question. How long does it take a website to make money in Trinidad and Tobago? It's the golden question, and today, we're going to break it down with actionable advice. First things first, there's no single, one-size-fits-all answer. Building a profitable website in Trinidad and Tobago is a journey, not a sprint. The timeline for when a website starts making money can vary significantly. Many factors play into this, from your niche to your content strategy. But let's get real. Most people want to see results sooner rather than later. The speed at which your website generates income truly depends on several crucial elements. Let's look at what truly impacts how long does it take a website to make money in Trinidad and Tobago. Your niche choice is paramount. Are you solving a real problem for a specific audience in Trinidad and Tobago? High demand, underserved niches often see faster monetization. Content quality and consistency are non-negotiable. Google loves fresh, valuable content. High-quality articles, videos, or product descriptions build authority and trust. Effective search engine optimization, or SEO, is your best friend. Optimizing your site for relevant keywords helps people find you. This is how you drive organic traffic without constantly paying for ads. So, let's talk numbers. For most new websites in Trinidad and Tobago, seeing consistent revenue can take anywhere from 6 months to 2 years. That's a broad range, I know, but it's realistic. In the first 3 to 6 months, focus on content creation and basic SEO. You might see very little income during this phase. This period is all about laying a strong foundation. By 6 to 12 months, if you've been consistent, you should start seeing some traction. This is when small but consistent earnings might begin to trickle in. Think affiliate commissions or initial product sales. Beyond 12 months, your efforts should truly compound. This is where consistent income streams become more robust. If you keep optimizing and innovating, your website can become a significant earner. You don't have to wait 2 years. There are ways to speed up how long does it take a website to make money in Trinidad and Tobago. Prioritize excellent SEO from day one. Research keywords that Trinbagonians are actively searching for. Focus on building an email list early. This allows you to directly communicate with your audience and promote offers. Social media integration also helps amplify your reach locally. Consider multiple monetization strategies. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Explore affiliate marketing, selling digital products, or offering services relevant to your niche. Consistency is king. The websites that succeed are the ones that consistently publish valuable content and adapt. Keep learning, keep optimizing, and never give up. Building a profitable website in Trinidad and Tobago requires dedication and smart strategy. While it takes time, the rewards of owning your online business are immense. Keep providing value, stay persistent, and watch your efforts pay off. Now, it's your turn. What niche are you excited about? Let me know in the comments below. And remember, the best time to start was yesterday. The next best time is right now. Please like, share, and subscribe. Be sure to watch our next video on SEO for beginners in Trinidad and Tobago. Always remember to make money is a strategy, not a lottery.